happen if you had my electric burglar system. Hi, my name is Edwin T. Holmes, and I am the first manufacturer of the electric burglar system. In the early 1850s, I became involved in making electric alarms. Before I went to home security, I manufactured poop scripts. And here they are now.
Sugar and spice and all things nice, kisses sweeter than wine.
Some say that he bought the patent for the alarm from Albert Augustus Pope.
Sure.
So he got the idea off the ground and made the burglar alarm into a success.
That's right.
On February 21st, 1858, he installed his first alarm in Boston. He traveled to New York City to promote his alarm and sold it to New York City's wealthy to prevent theft. Nowadays, burglar alarms are available around the world and protect millions of citizens from theft.
My electric burglar system will sound when the door opens. An alarm will go off.
The alarm had a spring that was released when a door or window was opened. An electric circuit was completed by the springs making contact with the wires. In those days,
Now that we know what the burglar alarm system is, let's try this again.
do-do-do-do-do.
Four, tres, two, uno.
Listen up, y'all, cause this is it. The beat that I'm banging is delicious.
Burgerlicious definition, make them boys go loco. They want my treasures so they get their pleasures from my photo. You can see me, you can't squeeze me. I ain't easy, I ain't sleazy. I got reasons why I tease them. Boys just come and go like seasons. Burgerlicious, but I ain't promiscuous. And if you were suspicious, all that shit is fictitious. I blow kisses that puts them boys on rock, and they be lining down the block just to watch what I got. So delicious.